Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about Epic Games error code MD-0011-30024. The error reads, "Install failed. Could not download installation information. Please try again later." As per the research, the error comes when users try to install a game from the Epic Games launcher. Some users have specifically mentioned that the error pops up while trying to install GTA V. According to our research, this error likely comes due to a network issue, or there may be a problem from Epic Games' end. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with the router and then try again. Once restarted, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes and you are using a VPN or proxy server, then try disabling it. Once disabled, restart the Epic Games launcher and check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then visit the Epic Games server status page at status.epicgames.com and check if there are any ongoing issues. If so, you may need to wait until the servers are stable. If the error still continues, try clearing the launcher's web cache. To do this, exit the Epic Games launcher completely to suicide. Then go to %local app data %, Epic Games launcher is saved web cache and delete the folder. Once done, relaunch the launcher and check if the error still comes. If the error still doesn't resolve, then try connecting your device over a different Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot and see if this helps with the error. At last, if you still get the error, then probably the issue is from Epic Games' end. In that case, wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.